Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. All this area you see out here is sweet potatoes, never been planted here before. We have this space between the two sets of figs, and figs do shallow roots, so the weeds grow, but they're really hard to weed them out because of the roots being so shallow with the figs. So we decided this year to make some little mounds and plant sweet potatoes to see if that would help cover up the weeds. Problem is that I don't remember where the sweet potatoes were. I'll overlay a little video because I have some video from when we first planted them, and that'll help us figure out where they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give them a drink of fish emulsion to get them off to a good start, and that gets some sweet potatoes planted. Plus I have this 15 feet square to figure out how to get all these vines out of here. So we'll move the camera around and we'll start clearing some of this area out. It's the first week in September, 8th or 9th, something like that. And these were all planted in the middle of May. So they've been in 3.5 months. Plenty of time to make sweet potatoes. Believe that there's a row starting right up in here, so I'm going to use the hedge clippers. This looks to be working fairly well. Taking forever to get the sweet potatoes cleaned out, enough to dig, but it's nice to see that you can actually see some there. I don't want to mess these guys up. These are the purple Japanese white flesh sweet potatoes. Oh, check it out. Check that out. Sometimes when they're doing really good, you get them in a bunch. They're like bananas. You get a whole bunch of them. Look at that. That may be all, but then, you know, that would be pretty tremendous. Well, I'll take it. Now we'll bump down here to the next one. What do you think? Unbelievable. I hope there's more than just, oh, there is. There's another. And another one.
Is that Bailey?
These are roots from the fig. Which tells you what the problem is with growing things up here.
I think that's one big one.
One, two, three, four, five. Two I pulled out already. Look at those beautiful, whoop, beautiful, beautiful potatoes.
One on this one. Yeah, I think you got more here. Nope.
Nope, just roots.
Just the roots.
Alright, now to one of the Beauregards. There's a nice one. And believe it or not, that will be incredibly tasty. So will that one. Nice long one. Whoop. One. Nice one. Super nice one. Wow, look at that. These things were what, $2.29 a pound at the cab?
Yep.
It's $1.50 sweet potato. And there's one organic. Another beauty. Small one. That's just perfect. Another one. No splits, no cracks, no bugs. Nothing. Well, that appears to be all that one is. It's just two, doesn't it? Here's what we got out of that row. The best part is there's another whole row. Well, here's the aftermath. 2 rows. You can see if we hadn't put in a bunch of compost on top, that's what the soil is, just a little ways down. It's just rock hard Georgia clay. Terrible stuff. So we'll get this all raked out and covered up again, and then we'll get tarps on it like we did before. Try and keep the weeds down. Here's what we ended up out of those 2 8-foot rows. I'm telling you, these are sweet potatoes anybody could be proud of. I mean, they just don't get any better than these. Just outstanding. I don't know how much they weigh, but we got 20 pounds from the other couple of beds. It looks like there's more here than that, and we still have some more ears with more sweet potatoes. So, the crazy fanatical sweet potato guy strikes again! Alright, here's the harvest out of that area. These are almost all the Beauregards. There's a few of the Japanese mixed in. We make dog food for our dog, and these little tiny ones like this, man, they cook down in the Instapot and they're wonderful. Go straight into dog food. Then we got the Japanese ones, and I am like beyond pleased with these. These are the white flesh. If you've never had these, buy some at the store and try them. They're almost the best baked potato you ever had in your life, but they still have a little bit of a sweet potato taste. If you will cook them and then finish them up on the grill, This skin will get just as crispy as any baked potato would, and it's just as delicious. You can certainly eat it, not a problem. And the potato is denser than a regular sweet potato, very much like a baking potato. These really, it's hard for us to know which is our favorite, either these or these. So those two 8-foot rows, never done them there before. Definitely will do them again next year. What a wonderful spot, and it blocked out the weeds for the whole summer. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. There's still a few more patches to dig, but not today. Thank you for watching.